Good morning, everyone. I am Ajay. Welcome back to Let Us Learn. This is your online classroom. I hope you are using this platform to continue your learning during these difficult times. Today, we are going to learn a new topic, a very important topic, that is how to write a job application. Before begin our today's lesson, let me ask you a question. What do you do after completing your diploma? There are two choices. You may go for higher studies or you may do a job. If you want to do a job, what do you do then? Yes, you apply for a job. For that, you need to send an application for the company or organization or an employer. If you want to do a job after completing your diploma, after completing your studies, you need to send an application, that is called as job application, to the employer or to the company or to the organization. Sometimes you send an application in response to an advertisements. So every day you find job advertisements in newspapers, some magazines. So after seeing newspaper, you send an application to the employer. That is one case. In some other cases, you want to know whether there are any openings are there, whether there are any vacancies are there. For example, your parents, relatives or your friends are working in the same company. They know there are some vacancies in the company, but they didn't give an advertisements. So you simply knew the vacancies by your friends. In that case, you simply send an job application to the company or to the organization. You want to know whether there are any openings are there, any vacancies are there. In either cases, in the two cases, you may send an application in response to an advertisement, or you want to know whether there are any openings are there in the company. In the two cases, either case, you need to send an sorry, you need to send an job application. What is job application? The important part of job application is CV or curriculum vitae, or we can call as resume. Sometimes you call as biodata, along with a cover letter. So CV or curriculum vitae or resume along with cover letter. These two are called as job application. Application for a job equal to curriculum vitae or resume along with cover letter. So always keep in mind, never send a curriculum vitae or resume alone. Always cover along with a cover letter. So in this lesson, how to write a job application. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to write curriculum vitae, how to organize resume or curriculum vitae, what are the important points we have to include in CV, and how to write a cover letter. Today, we are going to focus on cover letter, writing a cover letter. How to write a cover letter? As you know, in the last previous sessions, we focused on letter writing. How to write a letter? So cover letter is also a part of an official letter or formal letter, as we have discussed. Is one of the category of formal letters. Cover letter comes under one of the category of formal letter. So you are familiar with how to write a formal letter. So for writing a cover letter is also follow the same format. Writing a cover letter is necessary for you send a cover letter along with your resume. So cover letter is nothing but introduction to your resume. While writing a cover letter, need not write all the details in cover letter. It's only introduction to your resume. Resume is introduction to you, and cover letter is introduction to resume. So every time, never send a resume or curriculum vitae send alone. Always send a CV or resume along with cover letter. So cover letter serves an introduction to your resume and gives an account of why you are applying for the job. As you know, cover letter is also comes under category of formal letter or an official letter. While writing a cover letter, we can follow the same format of formal letter. So we have discussed how to write a formal letter, and we have seen different samples of formal letters. So as you know, there are many categories of formal letters are there: leave letter, inquiry letter, complaint letter, grievance letter. These are all called as formal letters. So like those writing cover letter is also comes under formal letter category. So while writing a cover letter, we have to follow the same format of formal letter or official letter. So as you know, how many formats are there? Yes, there are two formats. One is indented format and second one is block format. So nowadays we are preferring to write an official letter in block format. It is simple and easy. In block format, every parts of the letter are begin with left margin of the page, and except in body of the letter we need not to use punctuation marks. So writing an official letter in block format is simple and preferable nowadays. Okay, if you want to write a cover letter, we have to follow the same format of the block official letter. Let us see some examples. So before that, we have to see one outline of cover letter. So as you know, cover letter is also called comes under official letter. So we have to follow the same format. While writing cover letter, we have to follow the format of an official letter. So let us see outline of a cover letter. So what are the important parts in a cover letter or an official letter? Yes, what is the first one is sender's address. Senders, and who is the sender? The writer of the letter. For example, you are going to apply for a job, then you are the sender. So in sender's address, you have to write your full address, your name, your address, your mail id, and sometimes you have to mention your phone number, that is sender's address. Next one is date, the date of writing, on which date you are writing the cover letter, that is date, that is the second part. So we are using, observe, we are using block format, so all the parts of the letter begins with left margin of the page. Okay, first sender's address, second one date. In date also you can use different styles as we have discussed in formal letters. Next, inside address. Inside address means to address, to the employer's address, to whom you are writing the letter. For example, cover letter to the company, to the manager, to the personal manager, to the managing director. Like, you have to write the inside address or company address, for the designation of the person, to the manager, and company name and company place. This comes under inside address. Next, salutation. So different salutation may be used, like sir or dear sir, madam, dear madam. If you don't know whether the head of the institute, head of the company, man or woman, you don't know, then you write that is sir oblique madam. Like, this is salutation. Next one is subject. A brief statement of the letter. Subject is nothing but brief statement of the letter. For example, you are writing a cover letter. Cover letter is part of job application letter. So here you have to write application for the post of teacher, engineer, doctor, like that is the subject. You have to mention brief statement of the letter is subject. It should be right below the salutation. Next one, body of the letter. So this is the most important one in writing formal letters, as we have discussed. So body of letter is different from formal letter and informal letter. In informal letter you can write number of paragraphs, number of paras, based on the information you want to pass down, or the ideas you want to share, the thoughts you want to share with your near and dear ones. So in number of paragraphs may be written in informal letters. While coming to formal letters, body of the letter must be brief, concise and clear, as we have discussed. Body of the letter is most important one. So generally write 3 paragraphs. For example, coming to cover letter, in the first para of the body of the letter we have to write how can you know the vacancies in the company. You have to mention the first paragraph, how you came to know about the job position in the company, in the organization. That is in the first paragraph. Whether it may be an advertisements, or you may want to inquire about the openings in the company, in any case. So you have to mention it in the first line, first paragraph itself. Always keep in mind in writing formal letter. So we are focusing on cover letter, that is also called as formal letter. While writing a cover letter, you have to need not write more than 3 paragraphs in the body of the letter, in the first paragraph itself. In some cases you can write more than 3 paragraphs, but generally cover letter must be brief and clear. So generally you write 3 paras. The first paragraph you have to mention how you came to know about the openings, about the vacancies in the company, in the organization. you have to mention by job advertisement, or simply you want to know the vacancies in the company. That should be mentioned in the first paragraph itself. The source of the note application, why you want to apply for the job, how you came to know about the vacancies or openings in the company, that is the source. Coming to second paragraph, here we have to mention about your qualities, how you are suitable for the position, that you have to mention. Keep in mind, need not to mention all the details in the resume. So job application means you have to send your resume or cover letter, CV or curriculum vitae along with cover letter. Cover letter is nothing but the introduction of your CV. So need not to mention all the details in the CV or resume. Always keep in mind, need not to mention every detail in the CV. Cover letter is only an introduction to the CV or resume. So in the first paragraph, you have to mention about how you came to know about the openings. Second paragraph, how you are suitable for the job or position. And in third paragraph, what are your qualities, hobbies sometimes, which are relevant to the position, the skills. And also you have to mention about your interviews. You have to mention about, I am waiting for the interview, I am waiting for about discuss on my skills and experience. That should be mentioned in the last paragraph. So while writing a cover letter, so as it is comes under formal letters, so in formal letters, body of the letter is most important one. Body of the letter must be brief, clear and concise. Coming to cover letter, in the first paragraph itself, you have to mention how you came to know about the vacancies in the organization. You have to mention the source by newspapers, advertisements or magazine advertisements, or by knowing that there are some vacancies in their company. You have to mention the source in the first paragraph itself. Coming to second one, here second paragraph, you have to mention how you are suitable for the job. Mention briefly about your qualifications, your experience. Sometimes you have to write your skills and hobbies that are relevant to the job. Then it is apt. Not all the time you need not to mention all your hobbies, all your interests in a cover letter. So which hobbies, which skills, those are relevant to the job, then you can mention in the cover letter. Next, coming to third paragraph of the body of the letter, here you have to mention about interview. I am waiting for meet you in the interview. That is. Next one, complimentary clause. That's a part of formal letter. Same complimentary clause. Here you can use different complimentary clause like yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours truly. These three are preferable. You can write yours sincerely. Next, signature. So you have to write full signature. So below the signature, in the brackets, you have to write your full name. So always keep in mind, in every formal letter, you have to write your full name in the brackets. The full name should be below the signature. Next, designation. Some not all the cases, some cases. If you are already doing a job in one company and you want to move to another company. So in that case you have to write the company name and designation. Currently you are working, no problem in that case. So for example you are a fresher, then need not write your designation. So next, enclose. Sometimes you have to enclose your certificates, required documents. In that case you have to write enclose 1 2 3 4 encloses what you want to enclose along with your cover letter. Generally we enclose with cover letter a CV, that is CV and CL both are called as job application letter. Never send a CL alone and never send a CV alone, both are called as job application letter. Both CL means cover letter and curriculum vitae or resume. So resume is your introduction. Resume reaches you the company before you. So resume or curriculum vitae or CV is your introduction. So cover letter is the introduction of CV. Always keep in mind. Okay. In the next session, we are going to learn about how to write curriculum vitae or resume. So today, we are focusing on how to write a cover letter, because cover letter is also part of formal letters. As you are familiar with how to write formal letters, we have discussed in the previous sessions how to write a formal letter. So cover letter is also comes on formal letters. So that's why we are focused on this topic. So observe the outline of the cover letter. Cover letter is also a formal letter. So we have to use the same format of an official letter. So observe the what are the main parts of the cover letter. First one, sender's address. Next one, date. Third one, inside address, that means the employer's address. Fourth one, salutation. Fifth one, subject. Subject means here brief statement, application for the post of like any job, write a job. Next one, body of the letter. In body of letter it must be brief, clear and concise. Body of the letter, any formal letter. So coming to cover letter, in the first paragraph you have to mention the source of job, how you came to know about the vacancies or openings. You have to mention by advertisements or by news magazines advertisements, or by learning from already working in them. Some people already working in them. By learning them, you are going to apply a job in that position. You have to mention in the first paragraph. Coming to second paragraph of the body of the letter, you have to write your qualifications and experience, how you are suitable for the position. You have to mention all the details. The third one, sometimes you may write your interest, not all the cases, some cases, whether your interest, your hobbies are related to the post, you can mention them. And also you have to mention about the interview. You are waiting for the interview, you have to mention that in the last paragraph. Next, complimentary clause. So next, signature. After signature you have to write your full name. If you want to enclose anyone, you can mention in the enclose 1 2 3. So this is the outline of the cover letter. So let us see sample ones. Sample 1, observe the sample 1 cover letter. So cover letter is also comes under formal letter. You are familiar with writing formal letter, so it is easy for you. Observe. Raga 28A, Ayodhya Colony, Nalgonda. Who write the letter? Yes, Raga. Raga wrote the letter. Raga 28A, Ayodhya Colony, Nalgonda. This is sender's address. Next, 10th August 2020. Date. Next, HR manager, Wipro Computers, Madhapur, Hyderabad. This is inside address. This is the employer's address, the company address. Here Raga mentioned the cover letter to the HR manager, that is the designation. HR manager, Wipro Computers, Madhapur, Hyderabad. Next, dear sir, that is salutation. Application for software developer. So this is subject. What is the subject in the letter? Application for software developers. Next, observe the body of the letter. With the reference to your advertisements in the newspaper The Hindu, dated 9th August 2020, I would like to apply for the position of a software developer in your organization, as I feel I have the essential and desirable skills and required for the position. I am enthusiastic and hardworking, and I look for a challenging job. I am here with enclosing my resume, which lists my qualifications and gives full details about my experience for your confusion. I would be happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Raga. So observe the sample one. Here, who wrote the cover letter? Yes, Raga wrote the cover letter. Here she mentions her address, sender's address. Raga 28A, Ayodhya Colony, Nalgonda. Next, date 10th August 2020. Next one, inside address. To the HR manager, Wipro Computers, Madhapur, Hyderabad. This comes under inside address. Next one, salutation. Observe the format. Salutation, dear sir. Next, subject. What is the subject of the letter? Application for software developer. Here, observe the body of the letter. So, how it is brief and clear. Observe the first paragraph. How she came to know, she mentioned the first paragraph itself. How she came to know about the vacancies of software developer. How she came to know? Yes, she mentioned the source. What is the source? The Hindu newspaper. With reference to her advertisements, the newspaper The Hindu, dated 9th August 2020. So the company gave an advertisements about the position of software developer. So for that, the company Wipro Computers gave an advertisement in the Hindu newspaper. After seeing the advertisements, Raga sends her job application. So that's why in the body of the letter she mentioned the source. What is the source here? The Hindu advertisements. The advertisements appeared in the Hindu and mention the date. With reference to your advertisements in the newspaper The Hindu, dated 9th August 2020, I would like to apply for the position of a software developer in your organization, as I feel I have the essential and desirable skills required for the position. Next, second paragraph. I am enthusiastic and hardworking and look for challenging tasks. Here Raga mentions her skills and her attitude. I am here with enclosing my resume, which lists my qualification and gives full details about my experience for your kind perusal. Here observe, Raga didn't mention her all qualifications and details. She simply said, I enclose my resume. So in resume you can find all the details. So always keep in mind, while writing a cover letter, you need not to mention all the details in the resume. Next, third paragraph. I would be very happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Here. So Raga is waiting for the interview. So she mentioned it in the third paragraph. Observe the body of the letter, how brief it is and how simple it is. In the first paragraph, Raga mentioned the source of the job, how she came to know about the position of software developer. She mentioned the advertisements. In the second paragraph, she mentioned skills and attitude in brief. In third paragraph, she mentions how she is waiting for the interview. That is the body of the letter. Next one, yours sincerely, complimentary clause. Yours sincerely, Raga, a signature, and full name in brackets, Raga. So this is the format of a cover letter. This is one sample one. Let us see another one. Above, observe the sample cover letter 2. Krish, 16, Vrindavan, Nalgonda, 28th April 2020. The manager, HRD and Personal Department, Symbiosis Media, Hyderabad. Dear Sir or Madam, application for junior programmer. I learned that there are some openings in your organization for the post of junior programmer. I am a final year student of Diploma in Commercial and Computer Practice from Government Polytechnic for Women Minorities in Badangpet. Besides learning computers programs as part of my course, I also have been learning web designing on my own by subscribing for online learning programs available in different websites. I was part of the team of students and teachers who developed or who designed the website of Polytechnic. Computers are my passion. I am also highly motivated learner. The attached resume as details of my education and experience. I would be appreciate an opportunity to discuss how the Symbiosis Media would benefit from hiring me. Yours sincerely, Krish. So observe the sample cover letter. Observe the format. So like all other formal letters nowadays, this format is also in block format. It is more preferable format nowadays. Okay, it is in block format except the body of the letter. So in all other parts of the letter we need not to use punctuation marks. So observe, first one is sender's address. Who is the sender of the cover letter? Yes, Krish, 16 Vrindavan, Nalgonda. This is his address, sender's address. Next, 28th April 2020. So date, on the day she applied for the job, she sent a job application to the company. That is the date, second one. Third one, inside address. What is the inside address? The manager, HRD and Personal Department, Symbiosis Media, Hyderabad. So this is the employee's address. So Krish wrote the letter to the manager HRD and Personal Department, Symbiosis Media, Hyderabad. Next one, fourth one, dear sir or madam. This is the salutation. Here Krish didn't know. So who is the manager of HRD and Personal Department, whether man or woman, the manager. So that's why Krish writes dear sir oblique madam. Okay, always keep in mind. Krish doesn't know about the manager, man or woman. So that's why Krish write the salutation dear sir oblique madam. Next, subject. What is the subject? Why did Krish wrote the cover letter? So that is the subject. A brief statement of the letter, that is application for junior programmer. Application for junior programmer. Next one, that is body of the letter. Observe the body of the letter. In formal letters, it is most important one. How to write body of the letter? It must be brief and clear, concise. Okay, here observe the first paragraph. So in body of the letter, in the first paragraph you have to mention the source, how you came to know about the positions. Sometimes some companies give advertisements for vacancies, some other companies don't give advertisements. So by learning the employees who are already working in the company, by through them we can know the vacancies in the company. So observe the second one. Here they didn't give an advertisements, but Krish know there are some vacancies in the company. That's why Krish wrote a job application to the company. There are vacancies of junior programmer. The company didn't give any advertisements, but Krish wants to know whether there are any openings, whether any job vacancies. He learned by some other people who are already working in the company. That's why Krish applied for the job of junior programmer. So observe the first paragraph of the body of the letter. I learned that there are some openings in your company, in your organization, for the post of junior programmer. I learned that I learned that there are some openings for a post of junior programmer. That is the first paragraph of the body of the letter. How you came to know, you have to mention. Here you learned that some employees, some staff who are working in the company told Krish that there are openings for the post of junior programmer. That's why Krish wrote a job application to the organization, Symbiosis Media. So second paragraph, I am a final year student of Diploma in Commercial and Computer Practice from Government Polytechnic for Women Minorities in Badangpet. Brief introduction. Besides learning computer programming as part of my course, I also have been learning web designing on my own by subscribing free online learning programs available in different websites. I was part of the team of students and teachers who designed the website of our polytechnic. Here Krish mention his attitude, his skills and his experience. He was part of a team who designed college websites. So that is his experience. Krish mentioned his experience and also his attitude. So he learned on his own. Krish not only focus on the syllabus, the passion and computers, he learn on his own by visiting some online courses that he mentioned in the cover letter. Computers are my passion. I am also a highly motivated learner. Here, Krish qualities, personal qualities. Highly motivated learner. Computers are my passion. These are is comes under this attitude. The attached resume as details of my education and experience. Next, I'd be appreciate I would be appreciate an opportunity to discuss how Symbiosis Media would benefit from hiring me. Here, observe the attitude of Krish. Here he is waiting for the interview and also full confidence. He mentioned, I would be appreciate an opportunity to discuss how the Symbiosis Media would benefit from hiring me. Here we can show his self-confidence. Next, yours sincerely, Krish, his signature. Below the signature is full name in brackets, Krish. Complimentary clause and signature. Yours sincerely is a complimentary clause. Next, signature and name. So this is one of the body of the cover letter, sample cover letter. We have seen two sample cover letters. First one is applying for the post of software developer in Wipro company. They gave an job advertisements in the Hindu. That is the source. Coming to second one, here application for the junior programmer in Symbiosis company. They didn't give any advertisements, but there are some openings. By knowing there are some openings, so Krish wrote a job application to the company. So let us see one more sample cover letter. Here observe. Vardhini SP, plot number 16, Om Sai Colony, Nalgonda. Vardhini Ajay @gmail.com, 10th February 2020. The principal, MER School, Ramgiri, Nalgonda. Dear sir, application for the position of social studies teacher. In response to your advertisements in the Sakshi newspaper dated 9th February 2020, I wish to apply for the post of social studies teacher in your esteemed school. I am enthusiastic, hardworking and highly motivated learner. Teaching is my passion and I have a quality experience in this profession. I am herewith enclosing my curriculum vitae, which lists my qualifications and gives full details about my experience for your kind perusal. I would be happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Vardhini. Vardhini SP, her full name. So observe the sample cover letter. So who is the sender? Yes, Vardhini SP. Her address, sender's address, plot number 16, Om Sai Colony, and she also mentioned her email ID. Sometimes you can mention her phone number also, mobile number also. The sender's address. Next, date. She wrote the letter on 10th February 2020. Date. Next, inside address, to address, to the principal, MER School, Ramgiri, Nalgonda. To address, inside address. Or next, salutation. Dear sir. Here she mentioned dear sir. That means the head of the institution, the principal is man. That's why she mentioned dear sir. Next one, subject. What is the subject? Brief statement. What is that? Why she wrote the letter? Yes, application for the post of social studies teacher. That is the subject. She mentioned in a brief statement. Subject. Next one, body of the letter. Here three paragraphs are there. In the first paragraph, she mentioned how she came to know about the vacancies of social studies school teacher. Next one, second paragraph, she mentioned her skills and her attitude. Next one, she mentions that she is waiting for the interview. So read the body of the letter again. It is very brief, concise and clear. In all the formal letters, body of the letter must be brief and clear. So need not to mention unnecessary details in the body of the letter. It must be up to what is necessary. You have to mention only necessary details. Next, read the body of the letter. In response to your advertisements in the Sakshi newspaper dated 9th February 2020. So that is the source. Okay, the school, Emilia school has released an advertisements in Sakshi newspaper on February 20. So by seeing that advertisements, Vardhini wrote a cover letter, wrote a job application, apply for the job of social studies school teacher. By seeing that advertisements, she came to know about the vacancies. So that's why she mentioned it in the first paragraph itself. In response to your advertisements in the Sakshi newspaper dated 9th February 2020, I wish to apply for the post of social studies teacher in your esteemed school. This is the first paragraph. Coming to second one. I am enthusiastic, hardworking and highly motivated learner. These are her qualities, her attitude. Teaching is my passion and I have a quality experience in this profession. I am herewith enclosing my curriculum vitae, which lists my qualification and gives full details about my experience for your kind perusal. Here observe, she simply write, I am enclosed my curriculum vitae, but she didn't mention all her experience, all her education qualifications in the cover letter, because she already wrote them in curriculum vitae. So need not to write all the details which have in curriculum vitae in cover letter. So cover letter is a just introduction to the curriculum vitae. So that's why never write all the details mentioned in the curriculum vitae or resume in cover letter. So that's why she mentioned, I herewith enclose my curriculum vitae, which lists my qualifications and gives full details about my experience for your kind perusal. Next, third paragraph. I would be happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Here she mentions her willingness to work in the school, MES school. Next, thanking you, yours sincerely, that is complimentary clause, yours sincerely, Vardhini, her signature, and below signature full name Vardhini SP. So this is the format of cover letter. So what did we discuss today? Yes, in today's lesson we focus an important topic, that is how to write job application. After completing your diploma, your studies, you go for a job. There are two cases. By seeing in advertisements, you apply for a job, or sometimes by learning there are some vacancies in the company, you apply for a job. In both the cases, you need to send a job application. What is job application? Yes, job application has two forms, two parts. First one is cover letter, second one is curriculum vitae or resume, or sometimes called as biodata. Resume or CV or curriculum vitae along with cover letter comes under called as job application. So in the job application we focused on cover letter in today's class. Cover letter is also comes under formal letters. So as you know how to write formal letters, that's why in today's class we focus on cover letter, how to write cover letter. So cover letter is also called comes under formal letters. You know how to write formal letters. We have seen different types of formal letters in the previous session. So writing cover letter also you have to follow the same format. We follow the black format. And also what are the important points in a cover letter? Sender's address, date, inside address, salutation, next one subject, next one body of the letter. So coming to cover letter, body of the letter is most important. The body of the letter, in the first paragraph you have to mention how you came to know about the vacancies. The second paragraph you have to mention your skills, your qualities, your attitude, your experience in brief. In the third paragraph, your willingness to work in the company. Next, after body of the letter, same complimentary clause. Next one, signature and your full name in brackets. So these are the parts of cover letter. While writing a cover letter, so you have to follow the same format of an official letter. So but you have to keep some focus on body of the letter as we have discussed. So various types of cover letters. We have observed 3 samples in the lesson. In the next lesson we are going to learn about an important part of job application, that is curriculum vitae or resume. We are going to learn about how to write resume, how to write a curriculum vitae. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off.